Today we're drawing a strawberry panda. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's dive right into the eyes. Start by drawing a perfect little circle for the left eye. Inside, draw 2 tiny circles for the sparkles. And color the rest of the eyeball black. Now draw a big, beautiful oval shape all the way around that eye. This is our panda's classic dark eye patch. Make it nice and round. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Draw the eyeball. Add those tiny sparkle circles. And carefully color it in. Keep those sparkles bright white. And just like before, draw another big oval around the right eye to make the second patch. You're doing great! Time to grab your black marker. Let's carefully color in both of those big outer patches. Take your time, fill it all in solid black. Wow, look at those adorable eyes! Now right in the middle of those eyes, let's draw a cute little oval for the nose. Just a tiny one, right there. Next, draw a little W shape connecting to the nose. This gives our panda a sweet little smile. Let's make him super happy. Draw a big U shape underneath. And a tiny curve inside for the tongue. Aw, so cute! Now it's time to frame that cute face. Let's start from the left and draw a big, wide curve. All the way under his smile. This will give him those chubby little cheeks. Perfect! Now let's go up to the top. And draw another big curve over the eyes to connect the sides. Make it nice and round. There we go! Our panda's face is coming to life. Now let's give him his adorable strawberry hat. Start from the left side and draw a big, beautiful curve all the way over his head to the right side, just like a cute little dome. Next, every strawberry needs its leaves. Right at the top, let's draw some pointy, wavy lines to make the green crown. Draw a few of them connecting together. Take your time. Looking great! Don't forget the little stem. Just draw a small little tube shape right on top of those leaves. Close it at the top, and perfect. And what's a strawberry without its seeds? Let's add tiny little ovals all over the hat. Put them everywhere, just dot dot dot. Wow, he looks so sweet. Time for those classic panda ears. Draw a nice half circle poking out on the left. And draw another half circle matching it over on the right side. Now let's color this right ear in completely black. Make sure there are no white spots. Let's jump back and color the left ear too. Wow, our panda is really coming together. Now it's time for his adorable little strawberry overalls. Let's start with the straps. Draw 2 small lines down on the left and add a round button with a tiny line inside. Now, do the exact same thing on the right side. To make it super sweet, let's draw a wavy line connecting the two buttons. Just a nice scalloped edge across his chest. Now for the fun part, his big chubby belly. Draw a wide round curve going all the way down. Make him look nice and plump. Down at the bottom, let's add his little pant legs. Draw a short line down, connect it across, and bring it up. And add another one right next to it. Make sure those cuffs look nice and thick. To finish the outfit, we need to make it look like a real strawberry. Just like we did on the hat, let's draw a bunch of tiny oval seeds all over his belly. Dot them here, there, and everywhere. Take your time to fill up that space. Oh my goodness, he is looking absolutely precious. We are almost done. Let's draw his little legs. Start with a short, curved shape right under the left pant leg. Good. Now let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Another small, stubby leg. Make the bottom flat so he can stand up. Let's give him some arms. On the right side, draw a long oval shape resting right against his belly. For the left arm, let's make him wave. Draw a big arm reaching up into the air. Hi everyone! Before we color this waving arm, let's draw his cute little paw prints. Now take your black marker and carefully color around the paw prints. Leave the little dots white. Awesome! Let's jump over and color the right arm completely black. And finally, fill in both of his legs. Take your time to make them nice and dark. And ta-da! We just drew the absolutely cutest Strawberry Panda. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!